and good afternoon. I'm Charlene Washington, Sales Manager at Rolling Thunder Skating and Entertainment Center. We're located at 7017 Roosevelt Boulevard in the Kmart Shopping Center. Here at Rolling Thunder, an enjoyable experience for all ages is roller skating. And the children, of course, they love our indoor hair-raising rides. We've got the Frog Hopper, the 20-foot vertical drop, and our roller coaster.
It's just a great family entertainment place for them. I enjoy coming here.
We have a fabulous arcade. We have over 85 fascinating, thrilling video games. Games of skill and our redemption games. Turn those tickets in and win those prizes.
I enjoy the environment. I love the people here. I love the customer service here. It keeps the children off the streets. And I actually have fun with my children also.
Here at Rolling Thunder, we're also featuring our state-of-the-art sound system. We play the hottest hits that are out this year, and we are always featuring a live DJ. So to all families out there, if you're looking for a fun indoor activity, please stop by. We're open daily, Monday through Friday and every weekend. For further information about Rolling Thunder, please, of course, give us a call at 215-335-3400 or go to our website at www.rollingthunderskating.com.